K.
I am Panji Hadi K.
I am Hafist Al B.
We are from class 12 Social 2. Okay, we are going to show you how to make Lookscreen lesson schedule.
Let's start.
Okay, we need the Ponto application, the PicsArt application, the Pinterest application, and the desired font can be downloaded at davon.com. After appearing, click on the search on the top right corner. For example, the Sorelin script font. Then just click download. Enter the Ponto application. Select the gallery image usually in the top right corner. Select the plain image. After that, press the image, then click on the pencil drawing and type in the title of the day and schedule the lesson using one of the fonts that have been downloaded. Download background on Pinterest using keyword background notebook paper. A lot of pictures will appear and choose what you like, then click download. Open PicsArt. Click the add button below. Click all photos. Select the background template that has been downloaded on Pinterest, then click add. Select the title image that has been typed and click add. After cropping, first then click mix and select the one multiply. Will become transparent, then adjust the layout and size of the image. Do it also in the drawing schedule lesson that was typed earlier. If you think it's neat and nice, please save. Just make the look screen or home screen can also be printed.
They are very easy and hope you can try at home.
And let you know how it is going by comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.
See you in our next video. Good luck.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.